Hi everyone, I hope everything is going good cause Christmas is coming. So let me show you for this Christmas, let me show you a very amazing tool that is Stock Rush version 2. So it is a relaunching with some upgradation of Stock Rush. Let me show you what are the stuffs given inside the members area. So this is a members area of this tool, and inside this members area you can expect millions of stock images, illustration, videos, audio, GIFs and vectors. Let me show you. So this tool is very simple to use. Let me just type here anything. I don't want to type dog. Let me type rat here to show you what is going on with the word rat, with the keyword rat. Okay, basically dog is a very simple word and very popular word. Okay, that is why I have not typed dog. Instead of that I typed rat, and you can see here these are the stock images for rat. And you can think of that you are getting the copyright free images. Now let me show you what are the problems of getting copyright images. So let me show you from the examples. So you can see here someone sued someone for using their Twitter picture, for using their images. So you can't take any of the images from internet. That is why these kind of apps are launching these days, and that is why you should need it. Like you can think of you are getting totally copyright free images, videos, audios. Like this is a stock library, and that is why I don't want to waste time inside this tool so much, because it is very simple tool. Like you can everything is self discoverable. Like illustrations are given, and also the GIFs, these are the illustration, GIFs, stickers are given, audios, vectors are given. So what else you need, I don't know. So everything is given, like everything is self discoverable, and you are getting, in simple word, you are getting a stock image library. So let me show you now this page. This tool will cost you $37 for millions of stock images and everything. And with this tool you can check out also the demo video and all other features. And with this tool I am giving you 400 plus mega bonus with the upsells, and for the front end 29 bonuses. Let me now show you these bonuses. Now you're watching on the screen will be totally delivered in an automatic way, total 29 bonuses. And for the front end I will be giving you 400 plus stuffs. I call it mega bonus. And the vendor bonus is very essential for this tool, because the vendor has given me to give you these bonuses, and there are so many bonuses you can see. Sorry, there are more than 50 bonuses. Let me show you, more than 100 bonuses. So these are the bonuses, and also total 100 bonus. And also you can see here these bonuses, and also these bonuses. So all bonuses will be delivered to you from me. And other thing is, like you can click on any of the buttons on this page to just visit the sales page of this tool. And don't forget to use this talk 20 off coupon code to save 20% in $37. So you can think of you are getting $7 off as a 20%, or more than $7 will be discounted. Like you are getting this tool for $30. The millions of stock footages you are getting in $30 only. So if you have any query, you can click here on this orange written stuff. This is my Facebook page, soft memeware. You can knock me here, and you can ask me anything about this tool or any other tools I have previously promoted. So you can click any of the buttons on this page and just visit here. And don't forget that the vendor has given me to give you these bonuses, and also my bonuses will be given to you with these are the front end, and with the upsells these bonuses. So I am signing out for this tool, for Stock Rush 2.0, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. I am Chan, and this is me. Bye bye.